Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a complete declutter and organization project of our entertainment unit. And it's not really an entertainment unit because it's pretty much just a bunch of crap that gets thrown in there. But I wanted to make it kind of like a craft area for Holden. We've kind of started just shoving all of his craft supplies in there to begin with. So it kind of already is that, but there's like DVDs in there and there's other stuff in there. So I wanted to kind of organize it better and maybe move the DVDs downstairs, go through them because we don't even watch DVDs. I don't even know why we have them, but maybe purge some of them and just organize the craft supplies a lot better. So that's gonna be what we're tackling in today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside all of the drawers so you guys can see what a mess it really is. And then we'll go from there. So this is the entertainment unit that we are talking about today. So in this first drawer, as you guys can see, is just a mess of cords. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give this to my boyfriend. I'm going to have him go through this because I did this I think a year ago, maybe even longer, and I don't think we've used any of these cords. So I want to get him to go through this and just see, do we actually need all of these or can some of these be thrown away? So that's the first drawer. Second has become kind of like a catch-all for like tools and stuff like that. We got 2 big rolls of duct tape here. We don't need that up here. But I would like to have a drawer that's dedicated to batteries, like for Holden's toys, and also one to house just some everyday type tools. So we'll keep the drill up here. We'll have a screwdriver, nails, some hammers, like that kind of thing that we have multiple of, that we can keep one upstairs and then one also in the toolbox downstairs. But it's just handy to have. And same thing with like extra extension cords, kind of stuff like that. We'll have a drawer for that. And this one is kind of ended up being the same as this. I've got also like cards and stuff in here. I got to go through all of that fun stuff. Then these next 3 drawers we have been using for Holden's craft area, I guess. Paper, paints, stuff like that. But it's, as you guys can see, it's all just tossed in here. There's balloons in here, paints, craft supplies. Like, it's just a huge mess. It is insane. And the other 2 drawers are exactly the same. Like, I can barely even close these. I've got activity books and stuff in here for him. So more paints, and same thing with the bottom. So we got all of that. And then over here we've got DVDs, and then we have another drawer that's got some supplies in it. Like, this is empty. Like, why is this empty? Whoa, this lighting is crazy. Hang on, let me go over here where I can talk. We're hitting like the weird hours now. It's like 5 o'clock, so the sun's starting to go down. So you guys are going to see the majority of this project done in the evening. So I apologize now for the lighting, but we're just working with what we have here. I'm in Canada. We only get minimal hours of, of daylight in the winter time. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I don't even know where to start. I think I'm going to start by taking everything out of those craft drawers and just trying to organize it and group everything together, like items with like items, and go from there. Then that way I can organize it from there. So that's how we're going to start.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. But when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused. Turning gold into sand, don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh, it sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me reckless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. To be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I am on my way up, I won't slow down.
My hands are tied, and you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable.
Okay, you guys, so I am finished organizing, so I'm going to take you through and show you the finished product. Much better than before. So I will say this has not changed much. My boyfriend took a look through and he was like, you know what, I don't feel comfortable getting rid of anything because it's going to be one of those situations where as soon as we get rid of something, we're going to end up needing it. So it's better to just, if we have the room for it, which we do, just keep it, and that way we always have something in case we need it. So this did not change much. Then in here, I just organized. I have some cords here, and then I've got all of our batteries that are all organized now rather than just all over the bottom of the drawer, which is helpful. I have the drill there. I've got some tape, some Gorilla Glue, some screws. Okay, and then in this bottom drawer, I just have some manuals. We've got a picture frame here, stuff for the PS4, just extra stuff in there. And then over in this drawer, this is the coloring drawer, if I can get it open. So I organized all of Holden's coloring books here in 2 stacks, and then we've got the construction paper and just drawing pads, all that kind of stuff, sketchbooks. And then I've got pens, pencils, markers, all in here. and crayons in this one. So much more organized. The next drawer is the painting drawer. So I've got all of the bigger paints here. This is all brushes under there. And then just extra like little paints. We had all these little kinds of paints. So I just put them all in a bin. And then we've got some painting smocks. We've got some palettes and some water bowls. And any sort of like projects that we can paint, I've got here. And then finally, this is like the extra crafts drawer. So anything from making other crafts, you know, egg cartons, pipe cleaners, pom-poms, popsicle sticks, paper plates, toilet paper rolls, styrofoam balls, anything extra to make crafts. Glue, all in this one. Over here is things kind of for me. I always, with the very end of the Bath and Body Works candles, I always just melt them down and I create a new candle with all of the different bottoms. If that makes sense. I just keep filling them up every time I get to the end of a candle. I keep filling up a new one. And so I've got some wicks there. I've got letters for my letter board and photo paper, and then these are just some activity books for kids. And then in here I have like extra kind of like weird things. So this is supplies to make slime. We've got a felt pizza kit, a glow flying disc, some just random toys, balloons, bubbles, that kind of thing that didn't really have a home before. And then in here I have some books that are mine, and then cat things. So cat toys, cat collars. So everything much more organized. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you some inspiration to tackle, I don't know, whatever little project laying around in your home that needs to be tackled. I know we all have them. We all have little hidden, dirty little secret areas that we need to tackle. So I hope that today's project inspired you to tackle yours. And without further ado, I guess I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see